Cool Runnings, a journey of courage and team spirit. In the heart of Jamaica, 4 young men with dreams of becoming Olympic athletes come together to form a bobsled team. Darius, Sanka, Yule, and Junior have a deep passion for running, but when their dreams of becoming track stars are shattered, they find a new path to greatness in the icy sport of bobsledding. Facing skepticism and ridicule from their community, the team perseveres, determined to prove themselves on the world stage. With the help of their coach, Irv Blitzer, a former bobsled champion with a troubled past, the team sets out on an incredible journey of self-discovery and unity. As they train and prepare for the Winter Olympics, the team faces numerous challenges, from mastering the technicalities of bobsledding to overcoming their own doubts and fears. Through it all, they learn the importance of resilience, teamwork, and believing in themselves. Despite facing setbacks and encountering prejudice from other competitors, the Jamaican bobsled team remains undeterred. They exemplify the true spirit of sportsmanship, teaching their rivals the importance of respect and camaraderie. As the Olympics draw near, the team's bond grows stronger, and they realize that winning isn't just about crossing the finish line first. It's about pushing beyond their limits, embracing their uniqueness, and inspiring others to do the same. At the Winter Olympics, the Jamaican bobsled team faces their biggest challenge yet. In a breathtaking display of skill and determination, they overcome adversity and win the hearts of spectators from around the world. Their journey to the Olympics leaves a lasting impact on their nation, uniting Jamaica in pride and celebration. The team's triumph proves that with courage, passion, and teamwork, anything is possible.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.